So hello guys, hopes everybody is doing well. In this crypto update, we will be definitely talking about Arbitrum from a very long period of time. I was not following any altcoins because you look at the structure, we are not doing well on altcoins. So that's why I was not following altcoins on my channel. I was just following BTC. But right now, what I personally think is that maybe we are farming some sort of bottoms, and if we catch some good bottoms, and if I tell you, if I help you right here in the situation, because a lot of guys have already bought a lot of altcoins and they are already down, so they definitely need some sort of an update. So this is simple structure. Now if I show you something right here, very important stuff. This is the RSI below 50. From here you guys can exactly see this within this period of time. Look at this. This is just straight dump on a big price action, guys, on a big good altcoin. This is a layer 2 project, if I'm not wrong. It's a very poor price action. Look at this, from this period of time to this period of time, we had this dump, right? And from here, you guys can exactly see this, from here till here we had nothing by just sideways, again a dump. So you guys can exactly see this on the RSI. You guys can definitely study one thing, which is bearishness of the market, money flow and stuff like this. If I show you something that we are definitely below 50 cents, right, below 50 level on the RSI as well, so it shows weakness, and weakness means we can dump even further. There is two type of weakness. Let me tell you something. There is one weakness, this is for educational purpose. One weakness is because people are selling. People are selling at resistance. Suppose we are at resistance, people sold and the price went down. So this is why this dump happened. This dump happened because people sold, right? While the rest of the dump is that price is going sideways and then going down. Now the price is going down, sideways down, sideways down. Why this sort of price action is happening? For what? This sort of price action is happening just because of that there is not a lot of buyers. This is very important to understand right here. Now the same thing is happening with altcoins. No much buyers interested in these altcoins like Arbitrum, a lot of other coins. That's why we are dumping. But now things are very simple. I told you guys, if you guys remember, I gave you this call exactly publicly. I gave you this symmetrical triangle is forming, liquidity of the downside is already taken. Then we break out on this retest I gave you on Insta, on X, on my Twitter, on my Discord. This pump, we call this pump, and I told you guys to secure profits right here. And then after that, what just exactly happened? Then we caught this 20% pump, then pump like this, small pump. Now we need to caught these sort of pumps. And another educational thing which I can definitely tell you right here is, there is like recovery. What is recovery? Like if suppose price dips back to this level, because of this dump, to maintain the price action we should recover like this. This is like some sort of a chromosome structure, right? So within this dip we should pump for a recovery, for a market structure. Maybe later on we continue to go to the upside if there is a volume. If there is no such volume, it will be showing on volume as well, small volume to the upside and then break down to the downside. This is another thing that you guys must understand as well. Very simple stuff, very important stuff. Right now, altcoins, most of the altcoins are definitely on the death cross right here. They already have some sort of a death cross, and we are definitely below 50 level, which is really a lot of weakness. There is a death cross, and as long as we are not above 50 level on the RSI, you guys can exactly say this right here, we are above this 50 level, and from here till this period of time, look at this. This is a period of time where money is made. This is the pump. Do you see this? And as we start to break below 50 cents, look at this. Look at this structure. Look at this structure. This is very simple. Now most of the altcoins are forming this sort of stuff. It will happen. But what I personally think is the next support is exactly 63 cents for Arbitrum. And then if we did not hold, because this is the area, it will act as a good support right here for this coin as well. 63 to 60 level. Right now we are trading at 71 cents. This would be an important area to get into Arbitrum, while your DCA zone would be again 50 cents. So